Hello, I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Cuisine. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. I tell you what, got something special for you today. We've been out deer hunting. We shot a little buck the other day, and we're fixing to turn a big part of him into burger that we're going to save and be able to use through the year. So stick around, and I'll show you how I grind up our deer for burger. Got our Cabela's grinder up and going, and I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this deer meat. It's already been ran through on the 10mm plate. Now we're going to run it through on the 4.5mm plate and get a little finer grind on it. So let's see if we can get that done. So now I've got 5 pounds of ground through the 4.5mm. I'm going to add about another 2 pounds to it. So we've got 7 pounds in there. And now I'm going to add 7 pounds of fat hamburger meat. This 73-27. If I can get 70-30, I like using it also. But we're just going to open this up. Drop it down into our mixer. And then we're just going to blend these two together. And what this is going to give me is a very, very nice hamburger meat. It's going to have plenty of fat in it to stick together if we make burgers. It's going to work good for meatloaf, tacos, whatever we want to do. So 7 and 7, I got 7 pounds in there. So all I'm going to do now is take my mixer. And y'all have seen me do this before. I'm just gonna blend them up using my meat mixer here. Handy little meat mixer. And then we're gonna stuff this into 1 pound containers. Put them in the refrigerator. Just gotta get it mixed good. I've got about 20 pounds of meat to do here. 20 pounds of venison, so. We're going to get them all mixed and let y'all see how it's done, but that's the basic way we do it. Let me finish mixing this up for you. Alright, there we go. Last batch of hamburgers mixed well. Got the fat and the lean together. Let's make some nice patties. It's been a long day. I tell you what, we've almost got everything done, but I got to do my burger, and it's all mixed together. It's ground up good, no seasons, anything add to it. Ran it through the big 10mm, then the 4.5mm, mixed it with my fat hamburger meat, and now we'll start putting it in packages, and I'll let y'all see how we do that. Here we go. I'm just going to take my stuffer, put my hamburger down in it. That's nice and full. We'll put it onto the stuffer here. It's ready to go. And I'll tell you what, this thing works pretty handy. Let me show you how we do it. I'll take a bag, slide it on here, and then we're going to fill it up. Now, that one is about a pound. We can take our scale. Some of these have a line on them where you can see where a pound is. This one doesn't. So, that's about 1.5 pounds. So I'm going to want to go about right there. That is 1 pound. And right about there is 1.5 pounds. I can lay it on my scale, look and see. Yep, 1.82 pounds, just almost perfect. And how you do this is you just twist it up. Once you get it twisted good, take this taper, lay it on here, and there you go. Oop, we didn't do it. Sealed up. That didn't quite seal. There we go. Just keep going till we get it done. And here we go, about to the end of our ground meat. Weigh your bag. I'm putting about 1.5 pounds in each bag. Yep, 1/8. So, got about one more bag. And then I'm gonna have this knocked out. There we go, 40 pounds of ground hamburger meat, 20 pounds of deer meat, 20 pounds of fatty hamburger meat. Comes out with a real nice lean mix. Put them in these 1.5 pound bags. Works fantastic. Hope you enjoyed this little video of us making a burger out of our deer tonight. If you did, make sure you go down there and give me a thumbs up. Boys, do appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you know when we put up new videos. Thanks for stopping by. Tell your friends and family about us. Share us on your social media. And we're going to see you down the road on Texas Style Cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.